Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Microsoft is going to do something that I think will be nice for a lot of people. If you like using, I use it all the time, the context menus in Windows, which is a right click on whatever you want to do something with, you might see that there's way too much stuff in the context menus and different places. And I, for one, sometimes even like, you just want to click something, right click one of the items and see an option. And there's so many options now in the context menu that it's hard to find the one you want. And sometimes it's not even in the first page. You have to go to show more options or show, and you get to a point where you're like, okay, this is there's way too much stuff in here. So look at this. Look at how big this list is. It shouldn't be that long for things that we use all the time. So one of the good ideas that's coming, apparently, would be that Microsoft is working on the contextual menus that can be customized by the user. That means if you don't like what shows up in the right click on a particular thing that you are using, well, that menu, you'll be able to remove some stuff from the menu, and you'll be able to add the ones that you want. So you'll be able to basically customize it exactly the way you want and forget all the other options that are, never used or useless. So I think this is a pretty good idea. And so there's no example yet because they are starting to work on this. But once again, this could be something that's going to show up sometime this year, where the context menus are going to be customizable, and that will be great. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.